To him? What, to be a whore to a gutter rat?
No way! I'd rather be his whore than your wife.
Tell me that you love me right when you fuck me, cause when I hit it from behind, know that I ain't gonna stop. I ain't gonna stop thrusting until I hear that pussy pop me. That's exactly how you know I ain't gonna be stopping, because you know I love it. Put it in your mouth or put it on your clit, but just know that's not the only place I'm gonna put my dick. I'ma lick it up and down all night around. Kiss me when you say that you gon' fuck me. I wanna hit it so hard that your legs gon' start shaking, and your heart ain't never gonna be breaking, cause you already know Lil Zay has your ass taken. Right up on this dick, bounce it up and down every single day. Know I want you around. I'm tryna let you know that you ain't no hoe. Baby going for the nut, all along, yo.